Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 3x, I can put into number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. Next, we have 3 over 2 and s. We have s squared in here. To create about identity, we need to put about 9 over 4. This is represent about 3 over 2 to the power of 2. Later that we need to minus about 3 over 2 to the power of 2. So this one, we have s plus 3 over 2 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 3 over 2 equals to number 3 over 2 secant of t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have 3 over 2 square secant of t square. 3 over 2 square, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. And later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have ds equal to 3 over 2 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. This one we have 3 over 2 to the power of 2 secant of t square. This one we can do about factorization by 3 over 2 to the power of 2. Next, secant of t square minus 1, we change by tan t square. The square root of this one, we have 3 over 2 tan t. 3 over 2, 3 over 2, we have 9 over 4. Tan t, we have tan t square. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. About tan t square, we change secant of t square minus 1. So this one, we have secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and negative number 1. Next, I will concentrate on this one. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have secant of t tan t dt. dv, we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, we have v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. So this one we change secant of t square minus 1. Next, negative secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and negative number 1. So we have like this. Negative and negative, we have positive. And we know that this one equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. So this one plus this one, we have number 2. So we divide both sides by number 2. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. So 1 over 2 minus 1, we have negative 1 over 2. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by 3 over 2. So we have t equals to arc secant of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that secant with arc secant, we have this one. Similar for this one. And now we have 9 over 4 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.